Bafethu sanibonani, ngiyabonga ukuthi nikwazi ukuthola isikhathi nizobukela i-channel yami or ivideo yami. Namhlanje ngifuna nje unichazela kabanzi about iMadlanga Commission, just ukunikeza i-update every day ukuthi kwenzakalani kwiMadlanga Commission, because I understand ukuthi abantu abaningi abakwazi ukulandelela because ama-video eMadlanga Commission made kakhulu and nento ezidiscusswayo ziningi kakhulu. So ngifuna nje ukunika abantu ithuba ukuthi just bebe up to date ngokuthi kwenzakalani. So I'll try to break down each and every day whatever iMadlanga Commission esuke ikhuluma ngayo that day or ukuthi bebe focus phezu kwalo. So namhlanje ilanga i-7 July 2026 and into ade bekhuluma ngazo kwiMadlanga Commission bebe focus kakhulu ku-Julius Malema, befocus kakhulu ku-Feroz Khan and futhi befocus kakhulu kwindaba yoku-extenda iMadlanga Commission. So ngifuna nje ukuqala nge-point number 1 kwindaba yoku-extenda iMadlanga Commission. So iMadlanga Commission namhlanje spent isikhathi nje impela kudiscusswa indaba yokuthi kuzomela ukuthi i-commission i-extendwe because umsebenzi mningi but isikhathi sincane. Uzokhumbula ukuthi most of the time every time kukhulunywa kuphuma ama-screenshot, kuphuma ama-documents, kuphuma ama-witnesses amatsha. So yonke lento leyo yenza ukuthi kungabi enough because uzokhumbula ukuthi ngesikhathi bevumelana noPresident Ramaphosa babevumelene ukuthi after i-31 July 2026 yonke lento izobe siyaphela. But ngokubuya ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo izinto kuyabonakala ukuthi isikhathi asikho enough. So iMadlanga Commission ibicelile ke kuPresident ukuthi badibane bathi ukukhuluma kubonakala ukuthi banga-extenda ngesikhathi esingakanani, but they are saying abafuna into ewunyaka or into engale konyaka, but bafuna nje isikhathi esi-enough ukuthi bedibanise wonke ama-witnesses bekwazi ukuthola le information abayifunayo because uzokhumbula ukuthi njengoba kumele ngabe iyaphela iMadlanga Commission manje nge-31 July, kumele ukuthi nge-31 August kube ukuthi basenda i-report, i-recommendations to Ramaphosa ukuthi babone makwenziweni ngayo yonke lento ade beyi-investigator ukuqala nje since baqala. So that was iphathi yokuqala iMadlanga Commission ekade i-focus kuyo kakhulu, and into akade beyi-emphasize kakhulu is that they are not asking uPresident Ramaphosa to change i-terms of i-reference yabo. So masikhuluma nge-terms of i-reference sikhuluma ukuthi yimuphi umsebenzi abanikwe ukuthi bawenze. So iMadlanga Commission inikwe umsebenzi ukuthi ibheke ukuthi ngabe between ama-politician kanye namaphoyisa yini i-relationship ekhona and ayizange ni-influence enye kabi, because uzokhumbula ukuthi umchunu wayesolwa ngokuthi wayesecontrolwa ngama-businessmen ukuthi a-influence laphana kumaphoyisa. So kubhekwa lama-department awu-3 ukuthi ama-politician awa-influence yini amaphoyisa or ama-businessmen awa-influence yini amaphoyisa, kanye namaphoyisa awazange yini a-influence ama-politician ukuze kwenzeke some sort of i-corruption. So that's why ke iMadlanga Commission ibicela ispace sokuthi izame ukuthi ithole isikhathi and i-investigate more. Number 2 into ade befocus kakhulu kuyo was i-WhatsApp messages zika-Feroz Khan. Uzokhumbula ukuthi uKhan before edutshulwa kwatholakala i-phones zakhe, iMadlanga Commission yenza ama-copies from zonke indaba bezithola, but kakhulu bebengafocusanga kuyo yonke into uKhan akayikhuluma nabantu in general, but bebefocus ekuthenini ngabe bekakhuluma nobani laphana inside i-crime intelligence, inside emaphoyiseni, because bafuna ukubheka ukuthi akubukho yini ubugebengu abake bakhuluma ngakho khona laphana phakathi. And 2, ayikho yini corruption eke yenzeka in terms of influence ukuthi mawungenzela u1 no 2 mina ngizokwenzela u3 no 4. So bebebheka yonke lento leyo. So namhlanje ke into evelile is that uJulius Malema uyathinteka, kutholakala ama-message uJulius Malema ebuza kakhulu about i-Operation Dudula. Uzoyikhumbula ukuthi i-Operation Dudula is that organization elwa nama-illegal foreigners, especially eGoli kakhulu. So bekabuza-ke uMalema ukuthi ngabe bafandwa ngibani, imali yokwenza izinto bayithathaphi, imali yokuprinta iy'kipa bayithathaphi. I'm sure he was hoping ukuthi uzothola leyo information then akwazi ukuyi-exposa in public. So iMadlanga Commission izojonga-ke manje ukuthi ngabe leyo nto leyo iyodwa nje ayizange iboniseni i-corruption ukuthi unganikwa information sensitive about one political a group instead, and yonke leya nto leya. And two, uzokhumbula ukuthi same Feroz Khan uye owakhipha information wakhipha i-questions ekumele i-EFF izibuze eParliament ibuza uBhekicele, so that kubonakala ngathi bayasebenza ukuze kucindezeleke abantu ababengama-enemies kaGeneral Khan. So yonke lento leyo isifikile kuMadlanga Commission, bazobheka manje ukuthi ngabe ekwenzeni kwabo leyo nto leyo ayibeki yini isikhundla sikaKhan engcupheni ngokuthi kubonakala ngathi kwakukhona i-corruption or kanjani. And another thing, kubonakele iMadlanga Commission isaqhubeka namhlanje ukuthi there's a relationship between uKhan, uKhan, uJulius Malema, and nenye indoda ekuthiwa uMohammed Said. uMohammed Said ungena njani kuyonke lento le? uMohammed Said usebenzela enye ikhampani ekuthiwa iCalinix. iCalinix ikhampani kaMazoti, yena uyimanager kule khampani or uyidirector. So and uzokhumbula ukuthi uMazoti une-relationship noJulius Malema because ungumuntu owabasupporta kwimali ngesikhathi bengenamali yokurejista i-political party yabo. So kusinalama abantu abawu-4 manje, uMazoti wazana noJulius Malema and aphinde azane noMohammed Said omranela ikhampani yakhe. Then kube noGeneral uKhan, uGeneral Khan owazana noMohammed Said kanye nabanye. So uyabona ukuthi kunale relationship le. So iMadlanga Commission izobheka ukuthi ngaba yikho yini benefit ebekhona between labantu labo, and if ikhona kuzomele bese siyabona ukuthi iyiphi leyo benefit, sizokwazi ukuthi if there was a corruption or abantu babenefite ngokwazana, ikwazi ukuthi ilungiswe leyo ndaba isashisa kanjalo. So asazi ukuthi kuzophuma ini because yonke lento le kusamele itestwe kubonakala ukuthi iphumani. Asikwazi u-accuse abantu iMadlanga Commission engakakhulumi nayo, izobe si-referisha to uPresident Ramaphosa kube uyena o-actor nezinto. And obunye ubufakazi obuphumile namhlanje was that kufike noKurt Mahlala, but uKurt Mahlala siyamazi ukuthi usejele, so akakwazanga ukuza physically lapha kwiMadlanga Commission. Instead bamshaye nge-video call ukuthi akwazi ukukhuluma, and bengakaqala indaba yobufakazi bakhe because one of the reasons abambizele zona is because igama lakhe ngazothi likhulu and lithinteke ey'ntweni ey'ningi kakhulu. So iMadlanga Commission wanted to find out information enye ngaye. So ayikwazanga ukudila naye namhlanje because they thought ukuthi we should give him isikhathi abhala ama-affidavit awasubmit. So bambekela idate ukuthi makasubmit kusasa, and so we are hoping ukuthi uzokwazi ukwenza because kusasa iyi-8 and naye uKurt Mahlala unikwa idate ukuthi ngeyi-8 afaka ama-documents akhe, then ngeyi-15 kuzomele kube kanti uyaqala ukufakaza, bembuza i-questions acacise la bengazi khona or la bedinga khona i-clarity. Then-ke leyo nto yonke leyo yinto kade kukhulunywa ngayo kakhulu namhlanje, kubukwa ukuthi i-commission ingamuva kanjani. Enye information-ke information engathi ayikho that much important ukuthi singa-include. Njengoba bese ngishilo just to recap ukuthi sikhulume ngoJulius Malema, sakhuluma ngoKurt Mahlala noFeroz Khan i-relationship yakhe, nokuthi i-commission ecela uku-extendelwa isikhathi. Enye into i-commission eyivezile ukuthi they are not investigating yonke into, bona they are sticking just kuma-terms of reference abo ukuthi baqashelwe ukuthi maba-investigate between amaphoyisa, ama-businessmen kanye nama-politician. So abazokwazi ukweqela kwezinye izinto. Umzekelo, uma kuthiwa njengoba besearch uKate Matlala kutholakala ukuthi manje no-Eskom uyabandakanyeka, no-Home Affairs uyabandakanyeka, no-SARS uyabandakanyeka, abazokwazi ukundlula beze beyosearcha lezo zinto because umsebenzi wabo akuwona ukuthi besearche beze befike lapho. Umsebenzi wabo ukusearcha lokhu abanikwe kona upresident ongabe sayabuya athi hayi umsebenzi wenu ngiyawuthanda, ngicela niyeke nakwenye department. That means ku-extendwa or kuchintshwa i-terms of reference, indlela abasebenza ngayo oMadlanga. But I'm hoping i-opinion yami le, I'm hoping ukuthi iMadlanga Commission izokwazi ukuthi ibuyise isibindi, ibuyise isidima to ama-commissions, because uzokhumbula la South Africa ama-commissions bewangasahlonishwa because if yakhumbula uRamaphosa wathi introduce ukuthi kuzoba khona i-commission, wonke umuntu wabekhala ethi kudala sinama-commission but awasebenzi. So but this time around it feels like ikhona into eyenzakalayo because we can see i-consequences zabantu baya ema-court bayakhuluma, ezinye noma zi-indirect, kungawona ukuthi uboshwe because of iMadlanga Commission, but the fact that iMadlanga Commission started something then zahamba zaze ziyofika la ifika khona. Leyo nto le iyabonisa ukuthi we are getting somewhere. Hopefully even after i-report isubmithiwe to president uzo-acta very fast, because into emnandi ngale report is that njengoba izofakwa ngeyi-31 August izosinika isikhathi sokuthi sibone ukuthi before siya ku-elections uRamaphosa u-acta uthini. I-disadvantage yalonto is that uzosuka abaniki i-extension of which into esiyifunayo ukuthi makube khona i-extension, but into ezosibetha-ke lapho is that uzosuka afuna uku-acta after sesidecidile ngevoting ukuthi sivotele ubani. And I feel ukuthi le report lena was going to have impact ekuthenini sivota kanjani. Are we happy with ANC abavotele ANC, or are we not happy with the ANC? So ngifuna ukuyibeka nje la namhlanje, then we'll meet again kusasa nge-8 ngiphinde nge-explain ukuthi kwenzakalani kanjalo. So ngiyacela ningfollowishe bafowethu, ngikhulisa i-channel yami. Umsebenzi wami just ukuthi ngifundise abantu, ngicacisela abantu izinto ezingathi zi-complex ezenzakalayo kakhulu kwi-politics nakwi-South Africa as a whole. If there's i-issue nje engiyibona ngathi inde mhlawumbe or i-complex, ngiyayithatha from i-English ngiyi-translate to isiZulu so that sonke sizwe. I-theory yami-ke is that baningi vele abantu aba-explaina in English. There are so many channels ezi-explaina kahle futhi ngesilungu. So I thought ukuthi mangithatha indlela e-different mina ngizama uku-explaina ngesiZulu, ngimixe nesiXhosa-ke because ngihlala nabantu bakwaXhosa. So ngiyacela bafowethu ni-subscribe, sikhulume nakuma-comment, sikwazi ukukhulisa le channel. Inhloso yami akukona ukwenza imali or ukuthi ngidume, but inhloso yami ukuthi abantu bazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ezweni, so that ngikwazi ukuthi makufika isikhathi sokuthi sivote kanti siyazi ukuthi ubani wenzeni, because iMadlanga Commission izohamba iphele yona, but ukuphela kwayo mina ngizobe ngisekhona ngi-explain ezinye izinto ezobe zenzeka ngaleso sikhathi. Uthi uzizwe eradweni, mhlawumbe uzizwa kudiscusswa ngazo etekisini or kuphi, kube ukuthi at least una information. Nami I try my best ukuthi ngibe accurate, ngingakhuluma into engiyicabangayo, ngingakutshela ukuthi le opinion yami, so that uwazi ukuthi le into eyenzekile, le opinion yami lena yini. So ngiyabonga kakhulu bafowethu if uzoba nesikhathi ukuthi ubukele u-13 minutes wonke. Kuyomina umhlaba wonke kimi. Ngiyabonga.